Today I just want to talk to you very briefly about this in my hand here. This is called a splice protector, and it's basically a piece of shrink wrap with some metal support rod inserted into it. This is used in order to protect the splice so that it's not exposed to undue force and that it is protected at its weakest point. Before you clean the fiber, make sure that you strip it, all the gunk is taken off out of it, and then you simply take the fiber cable, insert it into the splice protector and push it all the way through. I say do this before you clean it because there might be some dirt or something inside of the splice protector. You don't want to clean it and then insert it and then have to clean it all over again. And from now, here's what I would do and then I would go ahead and strip my cable, get it ready, and then I would move on to cleaving before I would actually splice it. So make sure that you insert the splice protector onto the pigtail or the cable itself before you do any work on it. In other videos, I'll show you guys how to use the oven on the splice protector in order to seal it and shrink it onto the cable itself. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with one of our branches. We'll do our best to assist you. Have a great day.